Fuel is the backbone of our modern life, but unfortunately, there is a massive caution in the distribution channel. Fuel distributors supply fuel to the fuel station, and the station distribute to the consumer. However, this entry process is often untransparent, like operating in the dark. Here's an annual report from a single fuel station. 151.68 million is losses between distributor and the fuel station. 26.55 million is the losses from fuel station to consumer. 181.82 million is losses between employee and the fuel station. In Bangladesh, there are 4,000 fuel stations. Now, imagine the total loss. Yes, it's 360.05 million USD dollar every year. To reduce this corruption, we have introduced a solution called Amar Fuel. Currently, we are working with 41 fuel stations and have successfully reduced employee to station corruption by 100% and station to consumer corruption by 40%. With Amar fuel station now know exactly how much fuel they are receiving from the distributor and how much they are selling to their employee. The entry process has become more live, transparent, and efficient.
Currently, the full package size is 5 lakhs. We can see the breakdown of the package below. The station owners can purchase one service or more according to their needs. We have two competitors, but they do not have after-sales services, affordable price, and sales service technology. Right now, we have 41 stations. These are the notable stations within Dhaka. Last year, the total sales was 19 lakhs with 21% profit, and the monthly sales revenue was more than 1 lakh 50,000 with 1.1 lakh 25,000 expense. This we can see the revenue analysis. The mostly it is automation devices, which is 55%. Then ERP software 20%, B2B partnership 16%, and subscription free 9%. The global fuel automation market is currently 22 billion, where Bangladesh market is 400 crore. Our next target is to make it 1.5 crore sales revenue with 100 new sales fuel stations. We can see the next year growth map yeah, where we have sales team and the sales target from quarter 1 to quarter 4. The 80 lakhs for next year investment, and where you can see the 75% investment in raw materials, where 12.5% is for R&D development, and 6.3% for each administration cost and marketing expense.
Our primary customers are station owners and managers. We approach them through sales call and sometimes sales visit. Our B2B partners are Summit, Jomuna Tech, and we are trying to onboard more. Our core focus is to achieve SDG 9 by our smart innovation. We are dreaming to build a corruption-free fuel distribution system in Bangladesh. Thanks to all.